In this video, I'm going to show you how to add search actions to your Zap so that you can get more specific information from the system. So what we're going to do is come back to our untitled Zap that we created previously. And what I want to do is edit this Zap. So I'm going to come up here to the top right-hand side. I'm going to click Edit Zap. All right, and what I want to do is add a new step between these two steps. So I'm going to click here on Add Step. And I'm going to, again, search for Funnelr. So, whoops, that's not how you spell it. That's also not how you spell it. All right, there we go. So we can grab that from the system. Okay, and now we can go ahead and choose an action event. And this time, what I want to do is look for a search item. And what I want to do is select Find Order Item. All right, then I can go ahead and hit Continue. And I want to configure this by grabbing an order ID. And I can grab that order ID by simply clicking the plus icon over here and looking for my order ID in the information that was collected previously. I can exit out of that. And then I've got this setting that says if no search results are found, what do I want to happen? So currently it says mark as safely halted and skip that search result, or I can mark it as successful. I want to leave it as safely halted. All right, then I'm going to say continue. Then we need to go ahead and test this step. So I'm going to say test step. It's returned all of the information that I need. So you'll see that it's returned a ton more information. So we have everything that we need here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And then I want to go ahead and customize the action that is taking place. So I'm going to say continue. And I want to customize this information. So first I'm going to put a little space between those. And I'm going to, I think, delete the order number. I don't think that's terribly important. And then what I'm going to do is come and add the amount. So I'm going to search for the amount. There we go. It's got that information for me. And so now when I go ahead and continue with this and I publish those changes, so now I can go ahead and place a new order in the system. So I'm going to navigate back to my system, create a new invoice. We're going to go and stick with Betty. Then I'm going to add a custom item. We're going to say bananas. Wow, bananas. Okay, there we go. And these bananas are going to be $300. And we're going to save. And we're going to collect that payment. Oh, I need to select my payment method, record that payment, create the order. And then I'm going to navigate back to my Slack account. And again, we've just got to wait a few minutes for that notification to pop up. And there you go, that new notification has popped up and you can see that we have that amount there that's been added. Now, of course, you can go ahead and customize this notification to your heart's content to make it look a lot neater than what I've done here. And you can put amount $300. So you can make sure that you are receiving the correct information. So that is how you can use search actions to further refine the information that you are getting from the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use filters to filter the information that you are receiving from the system. I'll see you there.